Hello everybody, my name is Dean DeWolf, and today, for the first thing that I wanted to say was, I need 10 more subscribers to get up to 300. Right now I have 290 subscribers, which is awesome. The channel's been doing pretty good lately, and for today's video, I'm going to be doing the Rubik's Cube. Oh yes, once again. Okay, let's start. Okay. I think I'm gonna do the blue first. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, blue first. And or should I do yellow? I think I'll do yellow. Okay. There we go. Okay, now I need one more color. Hold on, wait a minute. There we go. Yeah boy. Yeah boy. Got yellow. You guys really liked the Rubik's Cube, so that's why I'm doing it once again. This is part 6. Actually, I'm making a series of the Rubik's Cube, and maybe in the next video I might do like a gaming video. Like, I really don't know yet, but I'm doing pretty good with my YouTube. It's pretty good. I can't believe I'm almost at 300 subscribers. It's just like last year, when it was like almost my 1-year anniversary, I had 101 subscribers, and right now it's like 103 subscribers, which is insane. Like, I can't believe I gone this far. Like, I mean, it's just very cool. Like how I got. Look at that, guys. I mean, like, look at that. Here, guys, I'll show it to you. I don't know how I did that. Okay, white. I'm still trying to do white. Okay. So we're off to a good start. So we did yellow, as you guys saw. Gotta find the last one. There you go. Yeah boy, got one more color. Yeah boy. I should like say, hey guys, it's your boy, Dean DeWolf. That should be a good intro. Like, I might do that in the next video. Now I need to find where the hell the last white is. Okay. And yeah, I have some shout outs for you guys. I like to shout out to Rex and I don't know. I just got one guy, Rex. And Hero Gaming, I think that's what. Yeah, Hero Gaming. I'm shouting out to all of you guys out there, but it's been a lot. Actually, you know what? For this video, I'm gonna do green. Like, I already did yellow. Okay. Do 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 do. do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. This is like the singing Rubik's Cube. You know what? I'm not gonna get green. I only got one color, but just like I'm just gonna look on camera what I'm doing. This is what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm just gonna do random stuff. I'm gonna close my eyes and pray to God that I'm gonna get a color. Like, really, I almost got a color with closing my eyes. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop on 3, 2, 1. Okay. Huh. I almost got orange. Okay. So, I think that's kind of challenging, like, try to get one color with your eyes closed. That's very challenging. Okay, guys, so I guess I'm gonna end the video right here. It wasn't long, it was just perfect, like it's in the medium section. And yeah, so I hope you guys really enjoyed the Rubik's Cube part 6. So this is part 6. So the series been going on pretty good. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video likes, comments, and subscribe. If you haven't, you could subscribe down here right now and check that video. That was for my last video. And check these 2 videos that are right here that I did from a couple days ago. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching the Rubik's Cube part 6. And this is like a series. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!